All right, man, the whole point of this video is you can see inside this truck is very dim in there. The only reason you can kind of see in there is because I got a flashlight on. So if you have an old school truck or an old school car, you know the interior light sucks. So I'm gonna show you what you can install to make this brighter. Let me turn off the light so you can see how dark it gets. Watch the video to the end so you can see what I'm talking about. All right, man, so check this out real quick. This is what I'm using here. The bulb on your truck is just one bulb, so you can't compare that to this. This is for like 48 LEDs on here. Anyways, the top piece is an adapter, so it depends what kind of bulb your truck has or your car. They have different options, but anyways, this even has a double-sided tape. You can take it off.